Hey guys, so I'm gonna be starting a week in my life vlog. This week basically is Halloween. So today is October 30th and this weekend I'll be going to some Halloween parties. So throughout the time I filmed this vlog, I actually only end up going to one party because school comes first. All the classes are canceled today so that everybody can go and meet with their advisors. So I don't have any class today. I'm actually meeting with my advisor tomorrow instead of today. So I am gonna go hang out with Adam and do some homework later. My dad actually just bought a house, so I'm gonna go with him for like the walkthrough, and then we're gonna go to dinner. But before I go anywhere or do anything, I need to clean up this mess. And this mess is literally just because like I didn't know what shirt to wear yesterday.
Eventually.
So right now I'm in the car. Adam's driving. I don't really feel good. I didn't get as much done today as I wanted to, but now we're on the way to go see my dad's house. Guys, so it's Halloween. This is my outfit for the daytime. I'm just wearing these little cat ears and they have cheetah print on them. I don't know if you can see, but I have a cheetah print scrunchie, this like oversized cheetah print sweater. I actually got it on clearance from Forever 21, and then some leggings and some boots. Yes, this is my outfit. Yesterday I did not get done as much work as I wanted to because I had literally the worst migraine in the world. Yesterday was kind of a fail, so today I have a lot more work to do. I have to turn in my midterm, which is a project for my film class, and basically I'm just doing the job of a producer. So everything a producer would do, between marking up a script, like making a whole film package, scene breakdowns of every single scene. It's just a lot of work basically, but I'm doing it for the movie 16 Candles. So if you've never seen that movie, it's an old movie, like old as in like from the 80s. I feel bad saying that because that's like when my mom was in high school, but yeah, Molly Ringwald's in it. It's super good, so I would definitely go watch it. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing today, just trying to get that project squared away. Yeah, it's due at 6 o'clock tonight. Usually I would have class from 6 to 9:50, which is like kind of long, but it's only one day a week, so it's like not that bad. But because it's Halloween, we just have to come in, give him our projects at 6, and then we can leave. So I'm hoping I can get everything done by 6. I have a lot to do, so I need to get started. I'm also meeting with my advisor today, so hopefully I'm gonna figure out what I'm doing with my life, pick my major, and pick my classes for the next semester, so no stress there. Oh, one more thing I wanted to show you guys. So my aunt made me and Alexa these little letters. She like painted them. So there's an A for Alexa and a C for Cat. So I took some of the other stuff down that was on this wall so I could put those up, and I think they look so cute, so we just put them there. And we have this little turkey here. I call him Humpty Dumpty because he keeps falling and breaking, so it's probably like not the best spot for him, but it's whatever. I have a lot to do today. I guess I should stop wasting time talking to a camera and go do it. I spent like my entire day working on this project and I didn't finish, so about like 15 minutes ago I texted my professor and I was like, so if I don't have like this done, basically he just told me to turn it in next week. I am done looking at that stuff on my laptop for the rest of the day. I can't take it anymore. I need a break. I've been at it for a good 6 hours non-stop, so now I'm gonna go hang out with my boyfriend and we're gonna go walk around with his little niece while she goes like trick-or-treating or whatever, and then I am going to get ready and go out. Good morning. So I actually didn't end up going out last night even though it was Halloween. I don't know why. It's just like a thing, like every Halloween, like I always have so many expectations and I never end up doing anything. This year I was kind of okay with it because I've been to like a few Halloween parties already and I kind of just didn't really feel like doing anything. So we just stayed in and watched a Halloween movie. We watched The Haunt. Tonight me and Adam are gonna go to Westchester. I just realized I like never told my parents that I'm going there. I mean, I'm 18 now and I don't live at home, so it's like I forget that like I should probably tell my parents where I'm going. Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go to Westchester to visit Jacob, Adam's friend. We're gonna go to a party there. Today before we leave, I have class, so I still have some homework I have to finish up. I have a costume fitting right before class for the spring dance concert, so they just have to like take my measurements or whatever. After class, we're gonna get my nails done, and hopefully that doesn't take too long because I need to like leave. My nails are like cute, but like I'm kind of like over Halloween. Like I'll still go to a few more Halloween parties, whatever, but after that, like I'm over Halloween and I want to get my nails done. So it is 6 o'clock. That's my food going off in the microwave because I just heated up my dinner from the other night. I just got back from the nail salon, so I just got like a light purple color, so it's like super neutral. We're gonna get to Westchester like really late because it's not really that close. Don't know if I said this, but tonight we're being Ken and Barbie. We're being like the Toy Story version, so I'm gonna do like the 80s like workout Barbie, and I wanted to do like a high ponytail with ponytail extensions. I couldn't find my old ponytail extensions and Ulta doesn't sell them anymore, so that plan fell through. So now I need to curl my hair before we leave because I need to do something with it so it's like bigger. I still have to put on lashes. My car is completely out of gas. Like it's showing that there's like nothing in the tank, and right now we're on some kind of like highway. We need to find a gas station. We're also in Pennsylvania where we have to pump our own gas. We're from New Jersey where we don't do that. So it's a little stressful right now. Adam's driving. Comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I will see you in my next video.